So let's take this into a time of meditation, just breathing into this space. Breathing into the openness, breathing into the knowing that we are here to speak substance into law. That it is safe to be bold and creative, to command the very activity of light that we are looking for to come into being, to show itself. Let there be light. Let there be expansion. Let there be in me an awakening to creatively explore my prayer life, to boldly take on the command, to speak the words of truth so fully and completely that everything around it jumps into order. So we take a deep inhale and exhale. Remembering that there is no wrong way to pray, but that we are in a time of learning and listening. So if every cell of my being, with every aspect of my consciousness, show me now my growing edge. Let me take the leap of faith in this moment. As I breathe into the truth that there is one power and one presence, that we are unified and not separate, that we live and move and have our being in an infinite and supportive universe. Inhaling and exhaling. We allow this truth to have its way within our being as we soak in gratitude for this moment. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.